Hello princesses, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a mini Guess and Jbalvin collab clothing haul. We're going to start off with a couple of items I got from the Jbalvin collaboration with Guess. Here we have the SS Vibras Crop Tee. It's a super cute crop t-shirt. Looks super tropical, nice tropical colors. We have these pinks, these blues, these yellows, these reds, which is pretty much his whole collection because his whole collection looks very tropical. They also have nice cute little graphics of some colorful parrots. I got the shirt in an extra small. They tend to run a little bigger. And there's also red and I think orange, but this was my favorite. Next I got the Stencil Blocked Crew sweater. Fun fact about this collection, the clothing that he came up with is actually unisex. So the sweater is actually for both male and female. I really loved the sweater. I think it was simple. It was so cute. You can wear it as a sweater dress, which is something I really thought was super adorable. And on the corners, you can see it has Jbalvin signature eyeballs and teeth, I think. That's what you call it. And it's so warm. It's so soft and it's so cozy. I love this for the winter. And with any purchase of the Jbalvin Guess collection, you get a Jbalvin Visor. I got mine in orange. They come in so many different colors. It has the Vibras logo with the Guess logo kind of meshed together on top. And in the bottom it says Guess Jbalvin. This was the last thing I got from the collection just because not everything was to my liking. And I was really looking forward to getting more of the bikini collection, but they're not selling it here in New York. So I was really bummed out about that. And just a little side note, I am not being sponsored by Guess or Jbalvin. That is all for the Jbalvin collection. Now we have the regular Guess. Here we have a Me Amore Tee. It's a really cute graphic tee of a girl wearing sunglasses. On the sunglasses it says the word love in different languages. And in the back it says Give Me Amore. I know it doesn't show it much here in the video, but I didn't know my shirt was tucked into my pants. Next we have this Arica Hoodie. It's a super cute, warm and cozy crop top sweater that you can actually tie on the bottom to make it more fitting towards your body. I thought that was super cute about the sweater. And you can also tuck in the little lace so you don't have to see it just dangling. It comes with a really good fitting hood, as well as, I don't know if you can see, there's a huge triangle in the middle of the sweater with the Guess emblem, and it says Guess in it. Also comes in many colors. I got it in a size small, but I really loved this white sweater. Lastly, I got this Corset super high-rise jeans in black. This is in a size 24. I love how it hugs my body and my curves. Super comfortable. The high-rise is about 6 buttons high, so you can pretty much imagine how high that is. And you can actually make it even higher if you like. And if you bring up the extra fabric that the jean comes with, it kind of feels like a corset, hence the corset jean. If not, you can definitely fold it down and just make it look really nice and stylish. But this is definitely my new favorite jean. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave any comments in the comment box below. Give me those thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that really helps me a lot. But until next time, I will see you guys soon. Thank you, and I love you so much.